that's really interesting, Kevin. And as you were describing the bookstore experience, I started thinking, a field trip to a bookstore is a really a worthwhile endeavor just to see those different places where books are. But then I started thinking about a library, for example, like in the kids section of any library, there's a section where young kids can sit on the floor and their pillows and those kinds of things. And you talked about self-respecting 15-year-olds, like they're not going to be sitting on those pillows with the cute little dinosaurs and teddy bears and things. They're just not going to do that unless they're babysitting or really know that none of their friends are around.
Right.
And I think that putting on that cap of thinking about your reader and thinking like literally if they're in the library, where are they sitting is going to be a really important part of figuring out, okay, so now I know where my book is headed.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.